How do you find a sponsor for a legislative bill? Imagine you have an idea that could improve your community or address a pressing issue. Turning that idea into a law involves several important steps, one of which is securing a legislative sponsor. But how exactly does one find a sponsor willing to champion your bill through the complex process of lawmaking? The first step is to identify legislators who have a vested interest or a history of supporting similar issues. This involves researching members of the legislative body to understand their policy priorities, committee memberships, and voting records. Legislative websites often provide profiles that detail each member's interests, past bills sponsored, and public statements. Focus on those whose platforms align with your bill's objectives, as they are more likely to be receptive. Next, prepare a clear and compelling proposal that outlines the problem, your proposed solution, and the potential benefits. Include data, case studies, or examples that reinforce the importance of your bill. When reaching out to potential sponsors, be concise and respectful of their time. Schedule meetings or send formal letters that summarize your proposal and explain why their support is crucial. Building relationships is key. Attend public hearings, legislative sessions, or community events where legislators are present. Engage with them in person or through official communication channels. Demonstrate how your bill aligns with their interests or constituent needs, emphasizing the positive impact it could have on their district or policy goals. Networking within advocacy groups, professional associations, or community organizations can also help identify legislators who are already sympathetic to your cause. These groups often have established relationships and can facilitate introductions or endorsements. Once a legislator shows interest, collaborate with them to refine the bill's language and strategy. They may suggest amendments or additional support from colleagues. Securing co-sponsors, other legislators who agree to support the bill, can strengthen its chances of passage. Often, legislators are more willing to sponsor a bill if they see broad support and clear benefits for their constituents. In summary, finding a sponsor involves thorough research, strategic outreach, relationship building, and collaboration. By aligning your proposal with the interests of legislators and demonstrating its value, you increase the likelihood of securing a dedicated advocate to champion your legislative idea.